Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence number DH114GASK. So a DH, door hardware, 114GASK. This is a replacement washer gasket for back-to-back pull handles. So the bottom line is this is just nothing other than a piece of clear plastic that is sold as each. I would imagine that you're going to need to buy them in at least, very likely, sets of 4, depending on what you're doing. But this will go underneath your handle and on top of your glass. You don't want any metal touching the glass, is the bottom line. We've got jobs where we will supply this material, handles, and you need a plastic washer, and here it is. Overall dimension of this is about 1 3/16. It's very likely that you're going to need to trim that, cut it to suit your needs. So be mindful, it's 1 3/16. It's got an ID of 0.235 inch. 0.235 inch. You might need to alter that. It's going to have a thickness of 0.044, 0.044. The job that I'm supplying these on my client, they are literally blanking off holes in glass with decorative caps that I've sold them with very tiny lengths of threaded rod. And those caps are, I don't know the OD of the caps, but they're about 1 inch or 1 1/4 inches. They might need to trim those around a little bit to make them suit their condition. Absolutely, but nonetheless, you don't want metal touching glass, and that's where this would come in. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And there's several and many full product catalogs, whether it be shower door hardware or architectural metals or architectural hardware or aluminum storefront or Blumcraft series of panic device approved and rated ladder pulls, things of that nature, a variety of stuff. If you have any questions on the DH114GASK or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.